I've been testing IKEA's new smart home devices for 2 weeks straight, and I found something nobody's really talking about. These $10 IKEA sensors are performing the same as $40 competitors. Same response time, same accuracy, 0 disconnects. So the obvious question is, why does everyone else cost 4 times more? At first, this looks like an easy win for IKEA. Cheaper, reliable, accurate, done. But there's a catch. One massive limitation that might be a deal breaker for you, and weirdly, it might also be the smartest design decision IKEA has ever made. This is the 2-week follow-up I promised. Everything you're seeing here is just IKEA's own hub and app. No Homey, no Home Assistant, no Google, Apple, or Alexa yet. That's coming in the next video. For the last 2 weeks, I've tested every new IKEA device. Every corner of the app, pushed the sensors, compared them to more expensive gear. And yes, I even put them in my fridge. So let's stop guessing and look at what actually happened.